Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. And then in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to turn on alarm on Poco C71. Alright guys, so yes, we know together that an alarm is a device that alerts a person to a specific event, situation or time. It can be used for various purposes, including waking up, reminding someone of an event, and other. And if you want to make a scheduled alarm, don't need to be worried because in Poco C71 you can schedule your alarm based on your event. And how to do that is very easy. So yeah, the first thing first is now you can go to clock menu on your phone, and then here there's already scheduled alarm. You can activate it, or if you want to add new alarm you can click on the plus icon and you can adjust the time, and then you can choose the ringtone and also you can schedule, and your alarm is already on. Alright guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial and thank you so much for watching.